let's have a look at the cash flow management strategy of distribution of payments. So when should this strategy be used? So the business may have analysed its cash flow statement and seen a projected cash shortage in a particular month. What this strategy aims to do is to change the timing of cash outflows to prevent this shortage from occurring. So what is this strategy? It's all about manipulating or changing the timing of cash outflows to ensure that large expenses do not all occur at the same time. So this could be done by pay by the month, the use of an instalment plan, or potentially negotiating the delay of payments with your suppliers or other creditors. So how does this strategy help a business? It helps by preventing high outflows all at once, which force a business into a cash shortage. It ensures that payments are scheduled when cash is available, and these smaller regular payments are easier to plan for and manage. All of these resulting in the benefit of not having to seek finance to be able to cover any cash shortfalls, which reduces financial costs and financial risk. However, there are some difficulties associated with using this strategy. The first is it may not be possible to spread payments, so suppliers or creditors may not agree to this. And secondly, there could be an additional cost incurred in doing this pay by the month or spreading out payments. Equally, the business may forego a potential discount by paying in instalments rather than in one lump sum. So in summary, this strategy ensures that large expenses are spread out and do not all occur at the same time, which helps with our cash balance and preventing the business from falling into any periods of shortage. By preventing these periods of cash shortages, the business avoids having to source short-term funds to finance this shortfall, which can be very expensive and also increase the financial risk to the business.